Down, down, down. How you guys doing? Bitcoin dumping, people in fear. We gotta talk about Bitcoin. I'm gonna go past the green line. What's gonna happen? We gotta know. We gotta know. Also, we gotta put some, scary music on. I don't know what scary music is, but some scary music. We gotta have some scary music, to complement the thumbnail and the title. So chill step, house beats official. No, we gotta have something very sad, and very very something. I don't know. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. How's everybody doing? So we gotta have a little bit scary music, a little bit scary thumbnail, a little bit scary title, and then maybe people will be scared enough, and then it'll bounce towards the upside. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing, guys? How's everybody doing? Bounce towards the upside. Let me just link this stuff into some other chats. Where is it? Up here. There we go. There we go. How's everybody doing? Is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? The green line of faith. The green line, we're bouncing off the green line. Does anybody know what the green line is? By the way, why is not chat working? Because nobody's talking chat. Like there is 80 people here, but chat is not working. Oh, chat, there we go. Yeah, chat is not working. There we go. What's up? Okay, I didn't see the chat. How's everybody doing? Don't be, we're all in the bull run. What's up, TLA? By Fear Sergey. I'm sorry about the title. I'm sorry about the thumbnail. I'm sorry about the music, but you gotta scare people a little bit. The more people, the faster people get scared, the faster we bounce. That's the plan. The faster they get scared, the faster we bounce. I'm tired. For December, extreme fear, be there. Let's see here. Markets right now. Only Japan in green, everything else is red right now. Nasdaq 2.59, Dow Jones 0.84, S&P 1.53. Damn. Okay, let's see here. Bitcoin, fear and greed index. Fear and greed index. Let's see what's happening with fear and greed index. Happy birthday, TLA. Yeah, we got the date, guys. We got the date, almost, give or take. Only 31. I think it's a lot more than 31. I think we're at something like 20 or 10. 3 hours left, so it's gonna be definitely below 20 once we finish this off. What happened? They pulled the wrong switch. Is for December gonna be the biggest pump moon ever? For December is actually the dump moon. It's the new moon, unfortunately, but we said something big is gonna happen on the 4th, but it's already happening on the 3rd. But if we break this line on the downside, damn man, damn. I was watching this trend line up here. Trend line on the 5-minute chart up here, and you can see that we've been dumping, then we slowed the dump a little bit, but right now we're kind of hovering around the line, so I'm not quite sure what's happening with the line. Maybe the line should be something like this up here. Let me see some other. Is there a different kind of line? Maybe this is the line, maybe this line, because the other one definitely got broken, but nothing happened, so we don't care about the line. If you don't read this data of previous 24 hours, not real time, that's why I say as soon as it updates in 3 hours, it's gonna be below 20. So right now it is pretty steep down, so people want to know what's happening. If for you guys that didn't watch my today's Bitcoin video, you can go check it out now if you want to do that, get some quick preview of what's happening, at least what I think is happening. In the green line is the alpha omega. If we close the daily below the green line, damn, then we are looking for some kind of hopium, like divergence, as I said, divergence, something like that. So there is always that. Whether that's gonna come or not, we do not know. New moon eve. This is the smoke and fire. Is now the 7 beams of light from the Dow Jones. Then Michael Saylor will descend from the heavens, and we will never come below 200k ever again. I hope that works out, man. I hope that works out. New moon eve. Yeah, new moon eve. So yeah, the the green line definitely doesn't want to hold, so you know, we dumping. Why are you talking so fast, man? This is me normal talking, so you know, that's why I talk so fast. Like, I know there are a lot of YouTubers that are very chill and calm, and they're like, and right now Bitcoin is down at 5.30%, and it's going slowly even further towards downside. We can see here on the RSI that we actually have divergence. No, we don't have divergence. We have divergence, but you know, soon we will have no divergence up here, unfortunately. So you know, you know, there is that. Even this pump up here towards upside did nothing to the price. It just bleeding towards downside. Do we have down here anything? Nothing here, nothing down there. 50-minute chart, not very helpful. 30-minute chart down here at some kind of 14 levels. One hourly chart down 18. 4-hourly chart. 4-hourly chart down at 32. So if this isn't the bottom, then I don't know what is the bottom, man. 32, that's pretty low for the 4-hourly chart. Let's see the daily. Daily is all the way down at 39. And you know, there is some kind of hopium that this is gonna be, if we close below the if we close today below the, let me just remove this one for a second. If we close below the green line down here, and you know, we don't dump that much on downside, then there will definitely be some kind of, you know, RSI divergence down here that might actually just, you know, pump us towards the upside a little bit. Talk faster. There's limits to how fast I can talk. Buy now, don't buy green candles, buy red candles. Fast, go. This is the end. This is the end. Everywhere fear, remember but fear. Yeah, chill too, please, lol. Anyone wants to play a guessing game? What will pump hardest from the return? Probably VeChain, man. Did you see the last time we had like 50% dump on Bitcoin? I mean, it's not last time, you know, but you know, previous time we had, you know, 50% dump on Bitcoin. VeChain pumped like 100 or 200% or something like that. Crazy, like insane. The final scare. You think this final scare? So in today's videos I had a video today on YouTube, doesn't matter, Bitcoin video, and in the video I'm telling that, you know, we never actually retested the line up here. You know, there is no retest. If you see the line up here, it is a really nice line, but you know, there is no retest on the line. See, we dumped down here, and we just went down. There is no retest, zero retest on the line. What's up with that? So I'm guessing we gotta bounce up here and go all the way up to 68,000. Do we have to have a retest? I mean, have there been, like, you can see here, we go towards upside, go down, and then you have a retest. That's fine, that's normal, and then you go down, right? But over here, there is literally no retest. There is no retest. You broke the important resistance. You should retest the resistance as, you know, resistance. You know, you broke the important support. You should retest it, right? But there is no retest. Zero retesting, man. We are just dumping straight down. No retest. Even up here, you know, go down. You retest, then you go down. You know. Anything you break on downside, you retest that and you continue going down. But over here, there is no retest. Like, it's really weird. There is no retest. My liquidation is 52. Well, the late bus driver, my portfolio. Oh no, hopium means the bull market will go to to the April 2020. Nah. Bull market, this is lengthening cycles, like Benjamin Cowan says. The bull market will go on to 2025. Bitcoin for liquidation, watching like a hawk. Like a hawk. So you know, every time you know break certain support, you know, you retest the support. I mean, I don't know if this is correct, or maybe it should be something like this up here. See, you retest the support. You know, go down, you retest support. Like, it's normal way to do things. You see here, you go down, you retest the port, but you know, there is no retesting of support. Down here, you might say, so maybe we have to wait, like, you know, half a year to retest the support. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's the thing. Let's see the 5-minute chart. Did the 5-minute chart doing anything? Nah, just dumping straight down. Broke even the trend line down from 30k, lol. but it's abnormal 2 years. The retest will come on Sunday evening. What does it mean? Yeah, what does it mean? Why is there no retest, man? Why is there no retest? Why is there no retest? So my idea about, you know, there not being any retest is that we will, this is, you know, a fake dump. At least that, you know, it looks very, very scary. It looks very bad. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. I mean, here's the thing. So you got this very nice line, you know, we jumped up here, you know, and you can see this, you know, big breakout up here, breakdown. Now we just jumped down. We were right now being pushed down by this trend line up here. There is some kind of trend line going on here, and we are being pushed down. So we are trying to break to the upside every single time. We are trying to break to the upside, guys. We are trying to break to the upside, but we getting pushed down, and without any retest. So I'm guessing there is a lot of bullishness in the market, but we are being manipulated to the downside, so we can create a big ass spring effect to the moon. At least what I think. I don't know what you think, but that's what I think. Do I hear the hopium? Wookie want a cookie knows what's up. Wookie want a cookie. Long time I haven't seen you, man. Nice to see you back. We only denial. There is no denial face, man. There we go. Bounce. 5-minute bounce. Where is the bounce? Oh, look at the green candle. Look at the green candle go. It's going for the retest up at 68k, guys. It's going for a retest up at 68k. Look at the green candle. It wants to go up to the 60k, 68k for the retest right now. Really, really close for that 68k retest. I don't see us breaking below 53. Let's see. I don't know. Never say no. Tell it like this. No hopium. Do you think we're bouncing back? No hopium. Hard man. Like you have to watch today's video. This daily candle is not that important. What is important, if we break the yellow line, the green line, and a 100 moving average like we do now, we close down here, and then tomorrow and maybe even the day after, so in the next 2 days we still stay below down here. Now that's gonna be bad. If he cannot bounce tomorrow, if he close down here, if he close today down here, if he close today and down below, what's that, 53.7, if he close today below 54.37 without any divergence on the RSI, there is divergence up here, so there might be some kind of divergence up here when we close the candle. If it falls down even further down there, it's likely that there won't be any divergence. But if there is any kind of divergence up here, there might be some kind of hopium. What we are actually looking for is some kind of, you know, even if we go to the we are hoping for some kind of big ass recovery tomorrow. Now if that recovery never comes, you know, and we stick the, you know, tomorrow we also have a red candle down here, something like this up here, that's a very bad sign. Not gonna lie, you know, that this is the panic mode down here. Do I see? That's the panic mode. So right now we are getting into the panic mode right now. It's not a good thing to do, but this can always recover to the upside. This can also, you know, use second candle to recover to the upside, and, you know, worst case scenario, it you know, goes a little bit down here more and, you know, recovers. But will we get a retest? No hopium. I don't know. I think we need a retest, but, you know, I've seen, you know, stranger thing happen in tech analysis. So, you know, we just broke through this support without any retest, getting pushed down. I think we need to, you know, to go towards the upside. I think, but, you know, it's hopium, man. It's hopium. But it's really weird. Like, everything has a retest, you know, on a support, but this doesn't have a retest. So let's try to, you know, let's do a little bit, you know, investigative work. Try to find something that doesn't have a retest on a dump. All of these should have a retest because you know, technically, you know, you have a, you know, you bounce back. So what we are looking for is bear market. What we are looking for is bear market dump that doesn't have a retest. Okay, so these are bear market dumps. All right, these have a retest towards the upside, goes dumps more to the downside. This down here, you know, break the downside, you go up the, you know, retest it. Let's see up here. Let's try to find some place where we didn't have a retest. Now here's the place where we didn't have a retest. So, you know, maybe that's the thing. In bear markets we don't have a, you know, we don't have retests. But actually something like this up here. But we even on this one, we, you know, we had a pullback at least. This looks bad, man. This looks bad. So we don't have actually to have a retest on the upside. We don't actually have to have a retest on the upside. This broke on the downside. Well, right now, you know, it's bouncing a little bit. Let's see, move some moving averages up here. Yeah, it's bouncing on a moving average, getting below the moving averages, and it just, you know, goes all the way down. So technically, you know, the hopium was, you know, failure. So, you know, we don't have to have a retest. This can, technically speaking, just continue bouncing towards downside, of course. This is daily time frame. This is the line, right? So, you know, we broke this line. We broke this line on the downside, right? We broke this line on the downside. Maybe I think I want to change the color from red. You know, red is too fiery, something like this. We broke this on the downside, and you know, the fact that we are not actually getting a retest might actually indicate, you know, some kind of bear sentiment. Dump. Ooh, that's a big dump. That's a big dump. Let's go there. I didn't even see it. Oh, that's a big dump. So this might be the final dump right now. If this doesn't, you know, recover right now, who knows, guys? Who knows? 10, 20, 50%. Is this the end of the world? This is why I don't leverage. WTF happened. Bitcoin happened. Bitcoin doesn't give a F. Let's see 1 minute chart. Do you guys want to watch second charts? Second charts is something with volume. Here is 1 second charts, guys. If you want to see it live, if you want to see dump live on 1 second charts, enjoy the ride. How old were you that you made tech analysis, and do you give call or coins to buy it on Patreon? No, I don't give out. I mean, I talk about what I think is good and not, but you know, I don't give out signals. I started in 2017, you know, when I got into the crypto. This was all in the charts. WBTFT. No, this was all in the moons. This was all in the moons. Forget Christmas. Is this recovery, guys? Look at recovery on the 1 second charts, guys. And there we go. Recovery cancelled. No, we are going back into recovery, back above the moving averages, back climbing up when I'm below the moving averages, trying to get a back above. No, we can't. Now we are back above the moving averages. It looks like we are consolidating here, up here. There is some kind of triangle going on here on 1 second charts. We are trying to, and right now, are we breaking this 1 second chart? We are not breaking. Are we going to break the upside? No, we're going to break the downside. Now, this is the consolidation here happening right now. Which way will this actually break out? We have a breakout to the upside. No, it's a fake out. It's a fake out to the downside. I think my lines are actually a little bit off. It should be a little bit more upside, a little bit more to the downside. We're trying. We're going really tight into the triangle. If you do not believe tech analysis by this point right now, we are breaking the upside, and there we go. We broke the triangle on the 1 second chart to the upside. If you don't believe the tech analysis, the patterns in tech analysis in the charts, you know, from watching 1 second movements, I don't know what you're gonna believe. I don't know what you're gonna believe if you do not believe this, you know. But right now, you know, the climbing is a little bit, you know, slower than up here. You know, up here was pretty speedy climb, and you know, which is still trying to climb towards the upside. Let's move up to the 5 minute chart. See the recovery up here. Big ass recovery right now, kicking in. Was this the bottom? Was this the liquidation bottom? We went all the way around 51.6 or something like that. This is a 5 minute chart. Will 5 minute chart get above the 10 moving average, or will it just get rejected by the 10 moving average up here? It was pretty big dump, you know, pretty fast. So, you know, a lot of people got liquidated, a lot of people got stop losses kicked in, a lot of people got I think somebody had, you know, they had liquidation at 52. 52 was the bottom. Well, this was actually 52, this is 51.6. So right now we are not actually, you know, getting above this 10 moving average on 5 minute chart right now, and we are getting none of that bullish engulfing candle on 5 minute chart. So this was not the bottom, guys. This was not the bottom. Not yet, not yet. Let's see 1 second chart how it's gonna play out. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. It doesn't look that good right now. Trying to get up here back above the you know, moving averages, cannot do that, and it goes down below the 200 moving average. Trying to hold the 200 moving average, trying to for another run towards up, getting above the 20 moving average again, cannot do that, getting rejected, and dump continues down below the 200 moving average on the 1 second chart. So exciting, so exciting. Unfortunately, that's too much excitement for right now. So let's move up to 5 minute chart, something like that, more crazy, like one hourly chart. You can see this big ass week on 1 hourly chart. Let's see 30 minutes, how 30 minutes looks. So 30 minutes is gonna close in 5 minutes right now, and yeah, I mean, we still got 35 minutes to get engulfing 5 minute or second candle up here. Let's see here How many seconds we get? 27 seconds left to get above what level up here? Up above this level. If you can get above this level, above the green line on in next how much? In next what's that? 15 seconds or something like that. You know, if you can get above the green line, we get a 5-minute engulfing candle right now. You know, and 5-minute engulfing candle. It's something. It's not nothing, it's something, it's good start. Right now, 1 second, nope, we are not getting engulfing candle up here. We are closed below right now, and technically we are still getting rejected by the 5-minute chart. So this dump continues, guys. Unfortunately, gonna go below 6%. We're dumping or the dump finished. Keep looking at 1 second chart. Nah, 1 second is too exciting. Bro, that looks so cool. Buy low, see it going lower, praying for the moon rebound. Moon is the dump moon, guys. Moon is the dump moon. It's not the pump moon. But yeah, there has been all kinds of signs. This triangle, some kind of triangle up here, dumping down to the previous lows down here, dumping below the lows. Right now the only thing we got to save us right now is the extensions to downside. So but this can technically go a lot lower down here at some kind of 47,000 levels, something like that. Before it actually rebounds, right? Technically speaking, it can go pretty low. Why is the dump moon? Because the new moon is the dump moon, the full moon is the pump moon. At least what we have figured out. So one more dumping coming. BTC right my ass again. Why is it dumping? Anyone heard some news? There is no news. You look up the sky, you see new moon. Actually, you cannot see new moon, but you see new moon, and there's also eclipse going on. So that might be that. Do we still have? I wasn't looking at RSI. Yeah, if this closes below these levels down here, we're gonna have 36. It's gonna be pretty bad. I made money on Matic, so not all bad. But how is Matic doing right now? 1.36%. It was up to like the 5%, sorry, 8% up here, and right now pull back. But Matic is like a beast right now. It's just pumping so crazy. I think this is going too fast. I might be wrong, but I think this is going too fast. Don't you think, guys, this is going too fast? I think this is going too fast. One more red dildo. I'm balls deep in on which. A little bit of hopium. There is always exception that confirms the rule. New moon this time is the pump moon. That can be the case. I'm not arguing against that. I'm totally agree with you that because right now the previous full moon was the dump moon technically, but right now maybe the next moon is gonna be the pump moon. It's dumping at supersonic speeds. I think it's going a little bit too fast. I'm not quite sure how fast. I mean I've seen faster dumps, but there is definitely some kind of recovering going up here, and you can see here on second chart dump here that we have trying to recover back above these levels up here at 53.7 or something like that. And wow, what was that? What was that dump down here on 1 second chart, man? Below the moving. I think for 1 second chart, I think we need some kind of different moving averages. Something like we're gonna start with 200, and we're gonna do what are we gonna do? 400, and then we're gonna do 600. No, we're gonna do 666 because psychology, and then we're gonna do 800, and then we're gonna do 1000, right? Because it's 1 second chart, so we need big numbers. We need big numbers. So it's not actually very helpful because these move way too slow, way too slow. I think we need to chill down a little bit. Okay, so 200 works, so we're gonna start with 100. Let's do 50. 100. 150. 200. And 250. It's almost like, rebounds. Oh, it's consolidating. It's consolidating, guys. Look at this. This was the dump, this is the climb, this is the consolidation up here. Oh, it's a nice consolidation. Look here, one second chart consolidation here, guys. 1 second chart consolidation. I told you this is the best investment I did in my life. There is a consolidation going on here on 1 second chart up here. You can see how nicely we bounce. Guys, if you don't believe in tech analysis by now, I cannot help you. Like, these things play out perfectly every single time. I prefer this volatility instead of sideways movement. Hi, by the way, Mega Maxi Pie, how you doing? Great tech analysis, very well spoken. Too fast, too furious. So we're gonna see where this breaks out, to the upside, downside. If you break to the upside on 1 second chart, we might just see on the 5-minute chart that we are bouncing to the upside pretty fast, pretty hard. So that's what we're looking for. Out of 382 million, my shares till zero till now are waiting for the leaf rally. Hold 53k. We're gonna see. Right now we are 53k. Oh, we are going below. We're going below. Is this the just fake out, or is gonna climb back up again? We are inside the triangle, back up again. And maybe my lines are a little bit off because they're not really correct. And this is 1 second chart, so anything can happen. But it looks like we're gonna break on the downside. We're getting pushed by downside by the moving averages right now. And how is this gonna play out? How's it gonna play out? Oh, we're getting pushed down, guys. There we go. The dumps continues. Unfortunately, we are gonna see some nice liquidation on the downside. Popcorn ready for awesome voiceover. There we go. Maybe this is some kind of recovery. Maybe we should do some kind of RSI on this thing over here. So we are hitting kind of 30 RSI every single time on a second chart. 30, 30, 30. So every time we hit 30, we recover. Are we gonna go to 70 or something like that? Right now, we are actually breaking down trend down here on the second chart down here, and we are getting bounced right off the trend up here. We are back in the triangle. This was some kind of fake cut. This might just be the key things, guys. This might be just the thing that where we get up above the line and then we bounce to the moon, guys. Are you gonna bounce to the moon? Are we gonna bounce to the moon, guys? There we go. Look at the bounce. Look at bounce. Back upside above the triangle. This was some kind of fake out. Fake out failed. The Bears lost, and right now we're going towards that. Tell Strike career as a sports commentator. Yeah, but I do not care about sports, so you know. I do not care about sports. And we are back in triangle. This triangle cannot go for long. Maybe my lines are a little bit off. Maybe I should correct the lines a little bit. I think, you know, I missed this stop up here because I'm seeing some kind of, maybe there should be something like this up here, give or take. Something like this, maybe. Let's adjust the lines a little bit up here. Maybe this is some kind of fake out down here towards downside. Yeah, this must have been fake out. So we are technically not out yet. I think we are actually out. Maybe this is the bounce. Maybe we are out and this is the bounce, guys. This is the bounce. We look here on the 30. Every time we get on 1 second chart down to 30 on the RSI, we just bounce. Simply bounce every single time. So this goes 30. Once we get a 30, we bounce. Look at it. Okay, it's not all the way 30. Let's go down to 30. Let's go down 30. We are hitting the line now. We're hitting the line. We're hitting 30. And now we should bounce. We should bounce. There comes the bounce. Like these, you know, these bots, these robots that buy and sell, they're so predictable. You go down to 30 on 1 second charts and then you bounce. Quadruple fake outs. Yeah, 1 second charts are really crazy. Try doing 10x leverage with this crap, man. You're gonna get wrecked, man. You're gonna get wrecked. I don't know what's happening right now because, you know, 1 second chart is not my strong side. You know, I like to do it on 1 minute, 2 minute charts. You know, that's more, you know, comprehensible. You know, you have time to think. But right now you don't have the time to think. You know, you don't even see bullish engulfing candles. Man, where is the bullish engulfing candles? There is a bullish engulfing candle up here, and there we go towards upside. This is recovery, guys. Is this recovery, guys? You are witnessing history. You are witnessing recovery on 1 second chart right now. How display? Nope, there is no recovery. Unfortunately, we're going down again. Too fast, too fast. Leverage is wrecking machine. Let's go down here at 5 minute chart up here to see what's happening. You can see here, we already know there's some kind of you know, consolidation happening here because we are looking at it, you know, on small time frames. Let's see how this looks on a 1 minute time frame. You can see maybe we could draw very nice lines on a 1 minute time frame down here. This should be something like this down here. Then we got this one here, and then something like this up here. Maybe something like. Nah, I think it's more like something like this up here, give or take. Maybe something like this. Nah, it's not this. It is one up here, give or take. Let's go to 1 second charts right now and see how this actually looks. So we are technically still in this big ass triangle up here. So, you know, not much happening. We thought we were out of the triangle, but, you know, once you get out of the triangle, it really doesn't do much. You're probably not out of the triangle, but right now we do have a right triangle. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. Right now you're sitting in the middle of the triangle, going back down to triangle. It's a big ass triangle, guys. This is gonna take like maybe 2 weeks or something like that. Let's see here. 42 minutes, 43 minutes or something like that. So 10 minutes. This was A, now B, dead cat bounce, and then we bottoming out at 52, 53. The central plan, if you get that right, man. Concept dodge 700 expected. Any thoughts? I hope he's right. Oh, no. I hope it's 30 levels down here. Look at this. Look at the rejection on the moving averages down here. Rejection right back down. But, you know, we always bounce on the 30. So here, if you're a bot, you know, buying and selling, you always buy down here. Doesn't matter where it hits, you just buy down here, and you know, you sell whenever it comes up to 50. You know, don't wait up here, but you know, it's in a downtrend, so you buy all of these and you sell up here. Doesn't matter which one you buy, you just sell, buy, sell. Any kind of 50, because it always gets to 50 level, right? It's not sure it's gonna get all the way up, you know, but these small moves, like you just buy these moves. Every single one of these moves, you know, profit, guys, profit. Wake me awake, it's 28k. If it drops 52.4 is the next spot to buy. I mean, we already hit that. What do you mean if it drops? We already dropped down there. We already was at, what was that? 51,640. So technically we're pretty low already. TL, I watch lots of TA channels, but you are the one who said something very special and I never read because it's a huge truth. You said, when the dump is over, you'll feel it in your body. Yeah, but you do feel it in, you know, you go through this very fearful emotional state because, you know, your body is tense and stuff like that. You know it's gonna go down more, right? But when it's done, you know, you kind of know it's done. The relief gets over you, you know, the relief. Buy Shiba now. Shiba down -5%. Shiba actually pumped today before the pump. Shiba actually pumped up here, right up here. It pumped up here and then dumped. I was watching, I was wondering, maybe I should buy Shiba again, but like, nah, let's wait and buy Flocky. By the way, how's Flocky doing right now? I think Flocky is also, let's just go to Dex Guru. I think also Flocky is dumping. We're dumping Friday, so we don't get another boring weekend. How's Hero doing as well? There's so many coins to check, guys. There's so many coins to check. Hero, Flocky, Sai, SafeMoon, all of these meme coins, man. I hope, you know, they, you know, trading view, they are trading view and make it easy to, yeah, it's this pumped up here, you know, when Bitboy talked about it. So that pump is done. Tela, how much are you worth? Not much, man, not much. My wife will probably sell me for $1,000 or something like that. What's your net worth? Not much. She was just complaining that I do not put up, do not do stuff she says. Yeah, it's dumping. It's dumping. Ugh. Check DYDX, please. There's not. Why would you check some kind of, you know, random coins for what they're doing? You know, this is the only thing that matters. This is the, look at this, the dump, the recovery, the continuation to the dump. So bad. Let's clean up everything. Let's go back to the moving averages and come back to the chart up here on the 5-minute chart. So what are we seeing for, you know, if you want to end this dump to end, what are we seeing right now? We are seeing that we need to get above this trend right now. Unfortunately, the trend is still towards downside. I think we might hit it for another time, 51.6 or something like that. Like, we gotta be honest with us, you know, how much can this dump go? Can this be a 50% dump like it was previously? Don't mind this, guys. This is me trying to find the line. Can this really be some kind of a major dump? Let's go to the 1 hourly time frame. Can this really be some kind of major dump like it was down here, man? Like it was down here. I don't know if you guys remember this this dump down here. I think it was down here. Let's go to the daily chart. Where is the dump? Where is the dump? Yeah, I think this was the dump. This was dump. Can we experience a 30% dump again, guys? Do you think we can get 30% dump right now? I don't think we can get 30% dump. I don't think we can get 30% dump. And this is just the last day of the dump. This is just the last day. I mean, from the top up here to the down, it was like 50% dump. Very, very fast. Now 30% dump. Can we get 30% dump? I don't think we can get 30% dump. This up here is something like 10-14%, but can you get 14% dump? Not quite sure about that either. Let's pull the line down here. This is 6%, this down here is 8%. Technically we are already almost there. 10% is not out of reach, so technically, you know, technically speaking, we can actually do that. Where is the lines, man? Where is the lines? Not this one. Oh, that's a nice line. But we already knew about this line. We already knew about this line. Where are my lines? There we go. But we use this one. Okay, we're breaking this one. We're all right down there. So the 1 second triangle, you know, we had 1 second triangle up here. Where was it? So this 1 second triangle, you know, kind of broke on the downside. So there's that. You know, the interesting thing about 1 second chart, it's moved so nicely. It's moved so nicely. This is not people buying and selling, guys. This is, you know, this over here should convince you this is not people buying and selling. People don't have a, you know, this fast reaction times and stuff like that, you know. You know, people just, you know, jump in here and there and stuff like that, you know. There's a lot of people buying and selling, but this is not people buying and selling. This is bots, you know. One more dump. Tiela, look at 1 hour volume. It's very low volume for such a volume dump. It's short-lived. Let's see that. Let's see volume. Let's analyze the volume. I don't know, man. The volume looks legit, man. I don't know what chart you are looking at, but the volume looks legit. Every single time we had these kind of dumps down here, man, the volume was legit. So the volume looks definitely legit. Increasing volume on dump also looks legit. I mean 4 hourly. Okay, let's look at 4 hourly. 4 hourly looks also legit, man. Look at a candle up here. Look at a candle. Look at a candle up here. Now this top up here, you know, the volume might, you know, you might argue that volume is going down a little bit or something like that, but you know, there's still 3 hours and 20 minutes left for this candle up here, and it's already almost half of the previous candle. So you know, the volume is legit, guys. The volume is legit. Let's see daily. Daily might have some kind of hopium. Daily is not doing anything much up here, but this is on Bitfinex. Let's see Binance. I mean, there is still some volume, but the volume is still going down. So over in this part up here, it's going down. The volume is still going down. If this doesn't, you know, the cracks, you know, the volume doesn't crack towards the upside or anything like that, like it looks like pretty normal. You know, some kind of expanding channel up there, down here. Right now we have some kind of bottom down here. You know, we should bounce. We should bounce. Nice. Technically Black Friday again. Technically speaking, of course, technically speaking, Black Friday again. I wonder if these plummeters will lose their follow or something after this. Plum tubers will lose their following. I often, you know, even I often use subscribers. I often lose subscribers on streams. So you know, I wouldn't be surprised if I lost you know, subscribers. 517. I had like 5. How much did I have? I had 510 or 511, so you know I gained 5 subscribers or something like that during the stream, you know. But oftentimes, you know, I go down like -3 subscribers. So you know, my wife is always like, "Hey, stop streaming, man, stop streaming." We're hanging by a thread. We touched a diagonal line on the daily chart. We will bounce soon. Yeah, you know, there are 2 lines. I mean, this is the first line, of course, down here. Let me just remove the moving average a little bit up here. And there are 2 lines up here that are very nice. Now, first one is this down here, which I think is okay. But, you know, this line, we should look at a 2 daily chart up for this up here. Let me just remove this a little bit. So we're using this because this is not engulfing, and we don't use it because it's engulfing, so we use this one. So you can use either this one up here or this one down here. I don't know, whichever you use. It's really whatever. Like it's same. Maybe this is better. Nah, it's same. Something like this, right? Let's use. So we drop through that, right? Now there's one way to do it. Now the second way to do is using this, you know, on the downside down here, and this one is not yet being broke, but this engulfing candle, so we don't like that. But if you look at it like this, you know, on a daily chart, like you can still use something out of this, you know. But then this is engulfing candle, so we don't like that, you know. But then you can draw something like this, but you know, that's like it's too few touches, you know. So you can draw something like this up here, down here, maybe something like this. I mean, give or take, like it's not picture perfect, you know, but something, you know, but it's still some kind of, it kind of feels kind of off, you know. And then maybe we got something up here at the top up here, but then we don't hit anything. Then we got something at the top up here, but we don't hit anything. This is the best line towards the upside, you know. But this on the downside, it's kind of hard to, you know, pull up nice line. Maybe something like this, but you know, and then we say that this is some kind of expanding channel or wedge, you know. So you see, there's stuff, but the knowledge you bring involve you. I'm grateful. Thanks for the bucks, man. Appreciate it. Leverage traders are wrecked for sure. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there are leverage traders that go short, man. There are leverage traders that go short. Let me see the guy. The guy was actually long. You know the guy, the target hit guy. YouTube target hit. He was actually long before while I looked at him. I think he closed my positions. Yeah, long. He's long on everything. He was down from 20 something down to What's that? -3, -3, -4000 dot PTC eagle. He was long on everything. So yeah, but he goes up and down. Like last time he was also down on 9,000 and he went to 20,000. Right now it's down 12,000. So, but he's still long. I don't get it. How can you still be long during this dump? I don't get it. Especially when you are doing the leverage stuff. Line from 29 to 39k to here. 29 to 39. 29 is inverted. 29. Oh yeah, the line. But the line is getting broken. Like there is no hoping for the line. There is no hoping for the line. Maybe that's why we are actually dumping big time, because we broke the line. So maybe this is the first breakout. But you know, I've been watching this on the weekly time frame and stuff like that. But you know, weekly we still kind of have hoping that this is gonna bounce back on the weekly time frame. Also, the kamikaze long yesterday. It is dumping hard. It 7%, 7.6%. Yeah, it is dumping, but you know. Yeah, I was thinking this might, but I don't know where, you see here, it has the same, expanding channel that, the Bitcoin has, but so this line actually hits these stood up here, give or take. But I will never draw the line like this, man. I don't know, like this dump. I mean, you can draw it like this, but it's kind of crap. This doesn't help. Let's use 2 day. Maybe the 2 day is the thing. Find new daily or God blessing yours, bro. Find us, save us. We need new deity or God blessing us, bro. Find and save us. We got Selena, guys. We got Selena. Unfortunately, Selena is not right now working in our favor. I was on the same line for it, but lost a lot of money on 16 now. Fort will work. Fort it, bro. Fort will work. 4 hour labor work. Nah, it doesn't work. Like I mean, that it does work for option, and broke down an option right now. This was some kind of consolidation or whatever. Right now it's going down, but you see that it is not actually breaking the downside yet. I mean, it's a big dump, but it's still not breaking the downside yet down here. It is all the way on the downside, but still not breaking the downside. It seems like a bit still stabilized. Yeah, it's stabilized around 6%. You know what that means? More dumping coming. I don't want to stabilize. I want a V-shaped recovery up here. That's what I want. Meaning we need you. Dumped on my face. I think relief rally is on the way. It's too early to call. Too early to call. Let's see here. Let's see some. Pull up some lines up here. We went down. This is the 5-minute chart, but anything helps. Anything goes. Like 5-minute chart. Anything. Do we have anything up here? There is no divergence whatsoever up here. 15-minute chart down at 9. We are so low on the RSI. 11 on 30-minute chart down here. Probably was a lot worse. 1 hour is down at 17. 4 hour is hitting the 30. But 4 hour is still closing 3 hours. So yeah, not quite sure about that one. Yeah. It has a while to go. It has a while to go, definitely. The thing that I'm looking for right now is, when are we gonna break the trend right now? And right now there is definitely some kind of trend going up here. Give or take up here, something like this, right? So something like this. There's definitely some kind of trend going on up here. So until we actually break the trend, there is no recovery. So we gotta break the trend. Look at Shiba, pump hard. Yeah, people. It's not. I mean, it's gonna take a while to recover, but it is, pumping a little bit. Why is Bitcoin dropping, lol? Opticalr.com. No way, you're in the chat. Dude, look who's in the chat, guys. We got opticalart.com. Why is Bitcoin dropping, lol? Are you the guy? Are you the guy? I don't know if you're the guy, but if you're the guy, maybe somebody with your name is the guy. But if you're the guy, you know, with the Fibonacci circles, man. I mean, if you call the drop, man, congrats to you. But you know, Fibonacci circles. Are you the guy? Opticalr.com. Why is Bitcoin dropping low? I'm long now. So, Fibonacci circles, man. Fibonacci circles. I hope you got something going on there. I cannot watch your videos because it's not my thing. But yes, the bear. I cannot watch your videos because it's not my thing, man. I don't like Fibonacci to start with, retracement Fibonacci's, extension Fibonacci and stuff like that. It's not, Fibonacci are not my thing. I like psychology. So when you go, so when you go to the optical, sorry, when you go to circle Fibonacci's, you just kind of lose me. But Fibonacci not my thing. But guys, let's check this guy's channel. So you can go to subscribe to the guy. Optical Art. And this guy, opticalart.com. You see the guy? He does. December 13 could be the day triggered the next crash for Bitcoin and the US stock market. So this guy, now it's not my thing, it's his thing, so I'm not saying anything against it, And if you guys calls the crashes correctly, he calls the crash correctly. But do check the guy out, it might be your thing. It's not my thing, but it might be your thing, But the guy has definitely some kind of weird ideas, might be up, might be somebody's somebody's cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea, but nice that you joined the chat, man. Nice that you joined the chat. How's Bitcoin doing right now? 5.69%. The recovery is legit. How much did we recover from the bottom down? 3%, 3-4%. Yeah, so it's not that much. It's not that much. It's some. Oh my god, did this short-term live the? Yeah, maybe just first, very first. Maybe we should do this on 1 minute second chart up here. Nah, we need to get above this. This is the last straw on the 1 minute chart. If you get above this, maybe some kind of hopium is gonna kick in. Well, that might be pretty cool. Optical art, yeah, I try. Everybody who comes to channel, I'm gonna shield the channel and stuff like that. Just because you're not my thing, you might be somebody else's thing, so, why not share the love? So 3 days ago, but moving averages cross on BTC down a lot. Yeah, you did high care G's. Unfortunately, I cannot watch everything, This is the late checkout before moon mission. Sell in April, enjoy the ride. The central plan is on the CoinSkid bandwagon, I think. I think the central plan is secretly watching CoinSkid. He's so bullish, man. He's so bullish. Or like you said in the central plan last time, you're out of the market maybe. Looks like dumping is over. No, this is one minute chart, so there is nothing that's done yet. We need some bigger time frames to confirm some kind of done moves. Check 1 month 5 EMA. We got the touch. I'm bullish AF. That's weird. It's possible to do something that price of BTC will not have so much influence to price of other coins. I think coins that are not on big exchanges are not actually affected. Let's check one coin. If this one coin is not affected because it's not on any exchange, just on 3% down, so it's not that much down. But that's for the day. 7 days down big time. Still an option. I don't know. Yeah, any kind of coins that are not on the 1 second TI is amazing. Any kind of, I think we could hold. My prediction for big drop is around 13 December. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. The 1 second chart, if you drew the line correctly, of course, if you drew the line correctly up here, there we go. Less straw, and we got rejected by that. 1 minute chart. This is what I was waiting for. I got it. Let's hope the story after the dump also comes through. Yeah, let's do that. Thank you for the shout out. Ah, no worries, man. It's all love from here, man. Opticalart.com. Check the guy out. Got a great V-chain dip. I need a woman now to calm down. I don't think woman is gonna calm you down, man. Can you help draw a trend line with the daily chart? Yeah, but we are interested in what's gonna happen right now. Oh no, we're going to zero. Not yet, not yet. It's too early to go to zero. We might go to zero, but not right now. Total head and shoulders get wrecked in December. Hiker Jesus. So what do we think? This is the bottom. I don't know if it's the bottom, you know. We are hoping that, you know, it is, you know, kind of, it dumped kind of fast. That's what I said, it kind of dumped fast, but I'm not that confident right now in the bottom yet. Let's see here on some kind of other charts up here. Now the 5 minute chart, we did are getting this kind of recovery, but it's kind of slow recovery, so I'm not quite on the bandwagon of the recovery yet. On 50-minute chart, we got some kind of engulfing candle up here, but not actually that good candle, because this is still a drop on the downside. Let's see 30-minute chart. There is no engulfing candle for 4 minutes left, you know, so the big time frames are not actually playing in our favor yet. I mean, it's nice, you know, move towards the upside, but I don't think, you know, until we are back above the green line, I don't want to say anything. I'd say, like, if we get back above the green line and start going into the green up here on the 4-hourly time frame, that might be nice. Let's see up here. I mean, the green line is not that far off. It's on a 53 or something like that. Maybe on 1 hourly week we're gonna get that. So, you know, in the next 4 minutes, if you get above the green line, that's gonna be, you know, best case scenario, I think. Can we get above the green line? Let's just watch the price. If we can get above the green line, we're good. And that's gonna happen here. So if we get all the way up to there to get above this line up here, okay? So are we gonna do that? Are we gonna manage to get above the line? I don't know. Let's see. Show for bears. BTC is recovering. It's not quite yet, you know, the game is not over until we get, you know, do some nice moves, some big closes and stuff like that. I'm ordering you some spring rolls. You cannot order me spring rolls, man. The wife is the one making spring rolls, and, you know, and she makes like me nice, good looking spring rolls, like, damn. You cannot buy those spring rolls, you know. These spring rolls are made with love. Christian Cooks, why does Evergrande, the general stock market dumps C19 effect BTC? Isn't BTC meant to be alternative to the hedge against the end of fiat? No, I don't think it works like that. At least from right now. The same reason why, you know, rest of the altcoins are correlated with Bitcoin is because they got, you know, Bitcoin pairs. Right now in the stock market and, you know, Bitcoin is probably in a lot of these hedge fund investments portfolios. So they got these indexes of crypto, they got indexes of this and that, and they put Bitcoin in everything. And once you put Bitcoin into all kind of indexes, it suddenly becomes part of the stock market, because, you know, once you sell one index, you know, it goes down, you know, everything goes down, right? So I think that's the thing. So, you know, the stock market and Bitcoin right now very correlated with each other. What's the program that you use? TradingView.com. You should use TradingView.com. Like, there is one guy. I know about one guy that used that crypto watch, but, you know, that's one guy. Everybody else uses TradingView. Percentage probability we're still in the bull market. I don't know. There is no such thing on Coinbase. Just Lukeric, what do you say? Of course, you gotta go to TradingView.com. You can use the link down below, you get 30% off. Check this guy out, guys. Opticalart.com. Maybe it's your thing, man. You know, a lot of people like those stuffs. And if you go to TradingView, The late adopter. Down here. Trading you get 30% off when you get a subscription. Me too, by the way, so you know, just so you know, just so you know. Trading view is free for basic use though. Yeah, it's free. But if you get subscription, you get 30% off. Yeah, it's free. Trading view is free, and then you get ads. And if you want to have a 1 second chart, it's premium. And no. Look at the dump exactly after the close. Look at it exactly after the close. So what we wanted to do with this this over here is, you know, we were looking at. Let's go a little bit back in time. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Did you see that? Did you? Whoa! Wow! Somebody got trigger. This wasn't a bot, guys. This was somebody with the fat fingers, just like buy. Now, so we were hoping that this candle up here on the 1 hourly chart could get back above the green line. Unfortunately, there was no you know, getting back above the green line over here right now. So you know, that's that. For 50 minutes, all go up. The well just fucking bought Llama. So I was saying the other day how overvalued it is at the moment. For energy, Putin need to please do me a favor and raise the crypto token price if possible. Thanks. I hope they watch my channel, man. We need commentator mode on. Nah, commentator on is not very exciting right now. But this was a big move. This is some next level move up here. Let's see. Can we see the volume on these things up here? Oh, look at them. Oh, there we go. And second one. What's happening, guys? Somebody is bullish. Whoa! Did you see that? Look at his candles, man. Somebody is buying, man. Somebody's buying. Whoa, whoa. How much is this? How much is this? Let's go down here at where do we get that? There. Indicator values. Let's see here. Stop with the moving chart, man. I cannot. 20 BTC, 18 BTC. So this is a 20 BTC buy, and this is 18 BTC buy, and everything else here is like 0 or 1. I mean, so low. Down here is maybe something like 1-2 Bitcoin. Somebody bought 20 BTC and 10 bits here, so you know, bullish. See, going towards upside. Somebody is buying, guys. Somebody is buying. How much is 38 BTC? 38 BTC times 120,000. Sorry, not sorry, that's wrong. 120,000. He just bought for 4.5 million. He just bought for 4.5 million. Damn. Whale, man. If you get a 4.5 million, you're a whale. Tell me what happened to the 4th December full moon blast. Told you bullshit. It's number 1, it's not full moon. Number 2, it's a new moon. Number 3, I said it's gonna be a dump or a pump, or Earth is gonna explode, or World War III is gonna happen. Something's gonna happen on the 4th of December, and I'm still sticking with that. Why 120? You know, we got you know, look at the future. What's gonna happen? You know, because although it might be 53,500 right now, who knows what's gonna be? So he's technically, hypothetically, investing 4.5 billion. You know, you always have to, you know, adjust the price to the future price, expected price. Elon Musk saying I'm done. WTF? No way. Did he just tweet, man? If Elon Musk just tweeted, man. What did he say? What did he say? Construction lows are no, that's a long time ago. Let's see here. Tweets and replies. Construction up, spend up, nope. Replying to nope. Look at Tesla line. Oh, look at Tesla. What's Tesla line? Oh, communist recreation by days. Yeah, Tesla is people don't understand Tesla. Tesla is extreme. We're going towards the green line, guys. These two buys started the you know, buying. Actually, it wasn't these two buys. They just came towards the end. But these two buys were, you know, nice. So maybe this is how we're gonna start predicting the pumps and dumps, guys. We're gonna look for the, you know, small buys. When somebody buys 48 Bitcoin, you know, that's gonna be probably it, you know. Evergrande, the letter went out again. Again? I mean, the thing with Evergrande, it's gonna come out, you know, Evergrande is always gonna be defaulting every single month because they are always behind on the payments, you know. So you can have Evergrande FUD every single month. Bad news, Evergrande. Evergrande news. We gotta go to Google for this because, you know, Brave is not very good at, you know, news. Let's see here. China's Guangdong summons Evergrande boss after debt something. Grabbed more of 300 billion. Evergrande chair summoned by officials after a warning on debt. Summons, yeah, so somebody's summoning somebody. So China authorities, so, you know, so CCP is summoning Evergrande somebody, you know, for something. New bankers, Queen and Shell, latest Evergrande summoned. Somebody is being summoned. That's what I get. That's what I get from Evergrande news. Somebody is being summoned. Something is happening. Not only Evergrande, Kaisa also. What's Kaisa? I don't know what Kaisa is. Oh, that's the other company in China. Yeah, Musk only buys Doge and Shiba. Yeah, soon Shiba. You know what? Think about, you know, people say, oh, Musk doesn't own any Dogecoin. Musk doesn't own any Shiba, and people think that's bad. Why do you think that's bad? Because the first time Musk buys Shiba, it's gonna explode to the moon, to Mars. You know, you have to think ahead. You know, you have to think ahead. The green line, guys, the green line, very close to the green line. I'm gonna get above the green line, guys. I'm gonna get above the green line. I think if we get above the green line, we might start talking about some kind of recovery up here. Somebody. Shiba is going up too. I mean, a lot of stuff is recovering. It's not just Shiba. I mean, there are a few coins that are. This is in. Let's go to 1 hourly time frame. This is meant, guys. Some coins, GXS. Some coins actually pumped like really hard today for no reason. I don't know why did this pump today. 10x. I don't know why these coins pumped. Is this pump and dump, guys? Like suddenly some random coin pumps 10x. Why? GXS, GX chain. I don't know what GX chain is. Is there some news of GX chain? I don't know. Is there chain? So what is chain? There is no news. I don't know. Suddenly like 10x. Some strange thing is going on here. There have been a couple of coins on Binance. Let me see, Binance. There have been a couple of coins on Binance that, you know, went like crazy today. And I don't know why. GSX is one of these coins. Let me see up here. Volume, BTC, GSX, CTXC. What CTXC? Like, I never heard about this crap. Look at it. Why did these coins go like something like 6x, 550%? The other one went 800%. What's happening, guys? Yeah, COS also went up nulls, but you know, I heard about COS and nulls, but you know, Cortex, I never heard about Cortex or GXS. I never heard about these coins. I don't know what FTC is, man. Suddenly like 10x. In one day. GX got listed on Binance. Yeah, but GX got listed on Binance long time ago. It got listed back here in May. It didn't just get listed right now. No, this is Binance chart. This is Binance chart. This is Binance chart. And Binance chart starts all the way down in 14 May. So it's been listed for a while. It's premium feature. Opening chart on 4 hourly. A lot of volume BTC right now. And there we go. We are above the line on the 4 hourly time frame. Oh, nice. But we still got 3 hours left. So, you know, it's too early to call anything on the 4 hourly right now. You know, on the 1 hourly, if he had come back above the green line, that would be nice. But right now, you know, it's some kind of recovery. It's nice. It's okay. It's decent. It's good. Let's see here. We had one line. Guys, do you remember the line? We had one line up here. I think this was the line, but you know, we're gonna extend the line up all the way up here, you know, say that this line. Let's put both of the line just in case. Just in case. So we gotta get above all the line. It's nice pump, but we gotta get above all the line to you know, break this downtrend. We gotta get above all of these lines. If you get above all these lines, I'm gonna call the bottom right now and you know, go to sleep. SHIB is pumping. Did she break? Did she break? Yeah, SHIB is breaking definitely. Like there's no, maybe it's not. So close, so close. Maybe it's gonna break soon. We can see. Can you show the volume? Yeah, like there is no volume up here. Let's see up here. There is the volume. Let's go. Which SHIB pumping? Come on. Nah, SHIB is not pumping. It's like there we go. SHIB is maybe like there is this line up here, and then I got no other lines. I've got no other lines, and right now it did technically speaking, it did break because you cannot draw this line any other way. I mean, maybe you can push something like this down here. Maybe I don't know. Maybe there is. Maybe it should be something like this. So technically we are not breaking it. Maybe it's very close. It's very close though. It's very close. But Bitcoin is definitely getting rejected right now. You know, so you know, it was nice, you know, celebration and stuff like that. You know, we're gonna up, recover. Everybody gets excited. Nope, not today. But right now, this is the triangle up here. I think that needs the break-in, and once we do that, you know, we might go towards the upside. But you know, we need to break this line. And right now, this line is not being broken, unfortunately. FF's sake, yeah. Matic is saying almost not dropped at all. Matic, oh, what the WF? Matic did recovery big time, guys. Matic doesn't care. Matic goes towards the upside. Matic doesn't give a F, man. Matic does not give an F, man. This is so bullish. This is so crazy, man. This is so crazy. This is one of the strong coins right now. Matic is one of these strong coins in crypto right now, guys. Matic is one of these strong coins. So I think Matic, and I think Solana was also performing well, but you know, and this, guys, this is very good time to find good coins because you know, you see what recovers fast, you see what dumps a little bit, and these coins that dump a little bit, recover fast, are good. All right, so let's find good coins. Matic right now recovering hard, so let's go down here. Let's just turn off everything up here so it's easier to see what's recovering before we pull up here. So this is not recovering. This is not. Nah. Oh, Rose. Rose is doing nicely though. Rose is doing nicely. Look at Rose. Rose is actually doing very nice. Yeah, Rose is doing nicely, recovering very nicely already. Look at that recovery. Now it's not all, you know, it didn't dump that much and recovering very nicely. So Rose right now, I like Rose. So we like Rose, okay guys? We like Rose, we like Matic. Keep remembering the names, guys. I'm gonna list the names, you remember the names. Okay, so Rose looks nice. TLM, and not so much. Not so much. Eagle, it looks kind of bad, no? AVX should be, AVX is recovering, guys. AVX is recovering big time. Look at AVX, man. Yes, it did dump down here yesterday, but you know, nah, you know what? Nah, it's been dumping for a long time, and it has a recovery, but you know, nah, not doing it, no. Let's go. One, no. KC, oh, KC is KCX is actually recovering a little bit. Let's see here, 4 hourly. Yeah, I mean, it is kind of getting up there. It is kind of getting up there. Like, yeah, I can feel it. I mean, on the daily time frame, it's still below about 20 moving average and stuff like that. Yeah, you know, I don't like this on the top up here. I don't like this on the top up here. You know, and you know, but you know, let's not, you know. So right now, just Matic and Rose looks nice. Angie na, Super na, Gala na, Mana na, Sen na, ELV na. Let's say Solana did not break the, look here guys, Solana held the support up here on 10, 20, 50 moving average up here. It broke this, you know, it broke this downtrend, went up, went back tested this on the backside. Now if Bitcoin does, you know, hit some kind of bottom down here, it will actually, you know, bounce really hard. So although it's not recovering that well, it's down 8% down, but it's down 8% to those supports. So you know, if it doesn't break the support and downside, it might just be looking good. But you know, we're gonna leave that. But right now, it's not that exciting. Fire or nah, Chili's nah, hot no, bet no, win no. are bad. CKB. Oh, look at CKB. CKB is actually in green right now. CKB is actually in green, but 4 hourly is actually, you know, why is 4 hourly, you know, BB actually went down pretty hard. Yeah, that's because it did pump, so, you know, maybe that's also the case with Rose. Yeah, we're gonna get back to Rose right now. Let's see, BNB is recovering. It's recovering nicely. Nah, it's not that nicely. It's recovering, but you know, anchored 10% down, still 7% down on Habar. Habar and Kia no, Algo no, Dent. Oh, look at Dent, guys. Dent is still in green, 0.93. Let's see 4 hourly. He did dump down, you know, it's holding the head above the moving averages. Looks nice. I mean, well, let's see 1 hourly down here. It is some kind of support down here. So Dent looks like it might be hitting some kind of support on downside. Like, look at this down here. It did try to go today, you know, but it went back down to this part over here. So, you know what? Dent, but you know, Dent has been looking bad for a long time right now. So this might be some kind of, I don't know why it didn't dump down here. Maybe because it pumped too much, so, you know, it's not dumping that much, but... you know, I'm always scared, you know, it's always scary with these coins that, you know, pump prior to the dump, you know, because they pull back and they still are in green, but they are technically not in green because they also dumped. Yeah, so there's always that. Fat USD looks nice. I mean, it's at some kind of support up here. Let's see the 4 hourly. 4 hourly dumped, already recovered. Yeah, Fat looks nice. This looks good. I mean, we could analyze this a little bit more, and there is definitely some kind of triangle going on over here, right? Something like this up here. But you know, the dump didn't do anything. Recovery was very fast, very swift. 4 hourly recovery. Look at it here, already going back up. Fat looks nice, guys. Fat looks good. So right now we got Matic, we got a Rose, we're gonna double check Rose, and we got a Fat. Like, these 3 coins look nice. Let's see Near. Near's up to right now 12%, so, you know, it's already looking good. Near is already, but it's below this big triangle up here, so I don't know what to say, but you know, the recovery is very nice and swift. This on Binance chart, so it should have dumped with everything else, but it didn't, so it does look nice. This, no, sorry, this 4 hour, the daily chart, it looks good, like, looks nice. Maybe it's some kind of button, like, so you gotta keep the track on the coins, because right now we got a Fat, Rose, Polygon, Near as well. Dot not so much, MTV not so much, Reef not so much, True not so much, Uno not so much, Audio looks nice. Maybe let's see here on the 4 hourly. Yeah, it's already recovering big time. Audio is already covering big time, but it's not all the way there. Nah, we're not gonna do audio. Fear is going back down to the spot. This overhead had some kind of rising wedge up here that broke the upside. Right now, getting some kind of pullback on that. So now, Vanchain. What did Vanchain do today, man? Vanchain went up 34% and a pullback right back into the gutter. SK. These are the lower we go down these coins, it just gets worse and worse. Should get worse and worse. ARC, STM, XVG, VTA, RLC. Wow, RLC. What's RLC doing, guys? Okay, it had a big dump though. It was affected by everything as well, but it had a big pump as well. 40% pump. Damn. Luna is, guys, here's, you know, a pro tip right now. Luna looks very strong, and I like Luna a lot right now because there was this rising wedge. It went out of the rising wedge, went up above the rising wedge, and right now it's above the rising wedge. So I like Luna a lot, guys. I like Luna a lot. I don't know why. I think Luna looks great. I think Luna can do you know, magnificent things soon. Cost did 80%, cost did 88% out of the breakout. So, you know, some coins, you know, they get these breakouts and they just blast off to the moon. I don't know why. The graph, let's see in daily, not so much ICS, not so much XPR, not so much T-Fuel. T-Fuel looks, nah, it had a big dump down here. Still not recovered the dump. 1 inch, no. AIM, no. XM, no. No. Broken green line, dash, no. BTT, no. Doc looks good, guys. Doc looks good. Look at the green candle up here. Let's see here on the 4 hourly, the dump recovery doing fine right now, going already towards the upside. Doc looks nice. Doc looks like he wants to get out of this this triangle, guys. And Doc looks good because we got this you know, triangle up here, and it looks like he wants to get out of the triangle. There is no dump down here. It just kind of climbs up here. Once he starts breaking this up here, you know, it might be doing. So Doc definitely looks good right now. ETC, nah. nah, Tel nah, Uni nah, Efi nah, XM nah, Koti nah, Bake 1.5, but Bake might be, yeah, it's below the line, Kava nah. Hex minus 5% right now, hitting at bottom down there, true, 5, nah. Atom is 11% up. Nice, let's see here recovery. Yeah, Atom looks good. Atom looks good as well. FTT, nah. Let's see FTT. Because it's already done, no. Nah. 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 Jasmine, nah. Bad. Cake. Cake should be bad. Cake is bad. Sushi should be bad. Sushi is bad. And then we got all of these coins on the downside. Band, comp. These are just crap. Why this always falling on the downside? Just stick there. I don't know. Yeah, these looks terrible. Yeah. So how's Bitcoin doing? 4.80, something like that. Let's go to 5-minute chart on Bitcoin right now. See. Yeah, I got rejected by the line. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? So if somebody can say which coins we said, like so Matic right now, you know, it does look good. Let's see on daily on Matic. It had a great recovery. So Matic was one. We had the other one was Rose. Let's double check Rose right now. Let's see here on the daily. On the daily, it's still the recovery is not that good. So not Rose actually. You know, forget about Rose. What more did we say? We said Dent for all. Nah, I don't remember. Fat was one. Fat, yeah, Fat looks good. Fat looks good, I think. Let's see. Yeah, Fat looks good, and Near also looks good. And Doc, I think I said Doc. Luna, yeah, Luna looks fantastic. And Doc looks good. Yeah, Doc looks also very good. I think Doc might go on very nicely. And Atom as well, yeah, Atom as well. Tomo chains. Ooh, Tomo looks nice. Let's see here, 4-hourly. Yeah, didn't get affected by sorry about line. Let's pull up the. Why do I still got Selena up here? Yeah, you guys. Maybe it's because of Selena that we pumped. Maybe that's why we stopped dumping, huh? Maybe that's why we stopped dumping, huh? I forgot that I put Selena on. Maybe that's, yeah. Tomo looks also nice. I'm gonna ask Tomo up here. Tomo Chan, because I know a lot of people talk about Tomo. CRV, I did check CRV. Yeah, recovery is bad on CRV. ETC. Yeah, we did check ETC, it's not doing much. Yeah, so these are the coins like Doc, Near. I don't know what I said. Like, you should be following the channel, not me. 4.67. Let's see 5-minute chart. Like, this is the most interesting up here right now. So is the dump finished yet? Not quite yet. I think we still need to go above these lines up here. I mean, as soon as we are above the lines, you know, it might be nice, but you know, not quite there yet. Matic, AVX, Salt, CKB, Dent, Fetch, Near, Audio, Luna, Doc, Cosmos. Yeah, you can remove AVX, Sol, CKB. And Audio and Cosmos. I think Matic, Dent, Fetch, Near, Luna right now looks good, because it's when these dumps happen, guys, this is when you can figure out what's bullish and what's not bullish. Because when everything drops down, all of these bullish, imagine you are in a crowd, big crowd, and you say like boo, and everybody jumps down. But these guys, they are tough, you know, they stand up and they look. So you can see all the tough guys in the room, you know. And that's the same thing I works here, you know. The fear hits, but all of these, you know, good coins just like rise up. And then you can see them. So anything that does drop down like heavily, you know, and then recovery is pretty quick, it might be just nice. VTC insane today. VTC insane today. I don't know. It's on Bittrex. Why are we looking at coins on Bittrex, man? Why are we looking at Bittrex coins? It's not actually insane. It's not even recovered for the day. FTM. We just checked FTM. I don't think we checked. There are a couple of coins that we checked. FTM. No. Zelica, no. Tata, no. Dodge, no. Ship, no. And it, no. So, yeah. I don't know. Qcoin, mine token. Yeah, it's KDI, QRD something. Bitfinex, Qcoin, QRD token. Nah. BNB. Yeah, we checked BNB. It's not doing anything. BNB perpetual contract. TSCI. CTSI. Oh, nice. Oh. Let's say CTSI. CTSI looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. Let's see 4 hourly. Yeah, it dumped like on 4 hourly, but it's already recovering pretty quick. It's going inside this very nice line up here. If it breaks this line to the upside, this is gonna, you know, do a moon mission. And it's different, you know, this actually broke the line, but this time is different because this time, you know, the moving averages were down here. Right now they're sitting up here. So if this time it pumps, it's gonna pump hard, right? You can see here the pump towards the upside, right? Big pump, but you know, you had a pullback because, you know, the moving averages were down here. Right now the moving averages are up here. So, you know, if it pumps big time. Okay, now you guys are going crazy with the coins. We're done with the coins. We're done. I was just messing around, you know, just, you know, going quickly through the coins on my list, you know, but I'm not going through everything. So we're gonna break the line, guys. We're gonna break the line up here. If you break the line, the stream is over. The dump is done. You know, the scare is complete. The scare is, yeah. I just want to check Crow because Crow is, you know, everybody's talking about Crow. Yeah, it's bad. So I think a lot of people talk about Crow because, you know, suddenly, you know, somebody shilled the Crow and, you know, it where can we find the Qcoin? Yeah, it's you know, Crow went parabolic towards the upside here. It broke the parabolic, or, you know, there should be something like this up here, maybe something like this up here, give or take, doesn't matter. It right now it broke that to the downside, so this parabolic move towards the upside is done. So if you bought it up here at the top at 4x, man, sorry to say, but you know, it's kind of going into some kind of consolidation phase right now. So Crow is already done. I've seen a lot of talk about Crow, but you know, it's you know, and you can see that we already had the triangle here on Crow, and once that triangle breaks the downside, you know, this down. First thing first, you know, once it was going up here, it broke the downtrend. Right now, going into consolidation, breaking consolidation, also breaking this this line up here. Like there is no way that you can push this line anywhere down here, right? So you got to be something like this up here, and you know, this line is done as well. So Crow is done. Crow is done. SLP mooning right now. Don't tell me it's SLP mooning right now, man. SLP is not mooning. SLP is a crap coin, minus 7%. Look this, man. It's such a crap coin. Like there is no way to describe this, man. I'm sorry about that, but you know, we've been following SLP for a long time, and I gotta tell you, man, we've been following SLP for a long time. We had some kind of hope that it's gonna, you know, continue up here and break. Nope, it went down here. Then it did this move towards the upside. We said it's gonna be, we had some kind of hope it's gonna do this. Nope, it did this up here. And then we had some kind of hope down here. It's gonna hold the support, them supports. Nope, it didn't do that. It's such a crap coin, man. Such a crap coin. It doesn't do anything. It just dies. In December we need gains. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. Bitcoin not recovering like, you know, strong coins right now, so Bitcoin, it looks weak. Engulfing bullish candle on 1 hourly time frame, but we still got 30 minutes left to go though, so you know. Let's see 5-minute chart. It's still not there. It's still not there. You can see how here we are fighting to break these lines up here. Actually, it's this line up here, not actually this line, but you know, we are taking no precautions, so we are saying it's this line up here. So once we do something like this up here, the stream is done, guys. The stream is done. As soon as we get above the second line up here, the stream is done, guys. You know, the dump is finished, at least for me, and I got sleep. I got ICP and it's similar. Yeah, ICP also looks very like much crap. I'm sorry about it, you know, some coins are, you know, look crappier than other coins, but you know, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? ICP. Okay, let's check ICP because, you know, people always talk about ICP and shilling ICP and stuff like that, but ICP looks like, you know, that. Look here, man, look here. It's so bad, it's insane. Like, we always have some kind of hope for ICP it's gonna hold. Like this support up here right now is breaking that support on the downside. We still have some kind of hopes, you know, it's gonna break this line. You can see this blue line. It broke it up here, right back down again, you know. Come on, break. It went for up here. We had big hopes for ICP up here. Nope, right back down in the line, and right now breaking the support on the downside. So for us, we need certain lines to break, to hold, to move towards upside, to see some kind of bullishness. Unfortunately, there is not a lot of bullishness going on here, man. There is not a lot of bullishness, I gotta tell you. There is 200 moving average up here on the daily time frame. We are still way below 200 moving average, so maybe we have some kind of oversold levels down here, and maybe this is gonna be some kind of, you know, pump to the upside. But, you know, until we see the pump, we are not talking about too much about ICP, unfortunately, you know. Let's go back to the Bitcoin and see if it is breaking the damn line or not. Can I go to sleep or not? Doesn't look like I'm gonna go to sleep right now, so I gotta stick around a little bit longer up here. There we go. Still not about the damn line. It's new moon, the gods are dumping. Nice W pattern, like Siki said. Yeah, Siki got right. Siki got it right. See, if this holds down here, this is, you know, W pattern, and as soon as we get above 57.8, you know, that this W pattern is confirmed. So if you go up from over here, it's perfect. I don't know how he does it, man. I don't know how he does it, but, you know, the guy knows. The guy knows. India just announced they won't be banning crypto after all. Good news. Book the dip on CTSI, Tomo, and MIT. But I heard about MIT before. Mithril. Let's see here daily for Mithril. Yeah, it pumped a lot right now, consolidating up here. How much did it pump? It pumped like something like 200-300%, man. That's much. That's a little bit too much for my taste, but it might just be. You know, it just might be that Mithril is having a continuation right now up here. So it's getting support here. So this might be some kind of bottom for Mithril where it actually bounces. You know, you don't want it to get down here, but, you know, if it goes towards up, it's gonna be nice, right? So Mithril looks nice. I'm gonna add this one as well. It's the Binance, yeah. Mithril, I'm gonna add Mithril on Binance. So it looks like it might have continuation. But on daily chart, it did pull back below the 10 moving average, so not actually quite there yet. Unfortunately, daily chart is kind of not there yet. How's Bitcoin doing, guys? How's Bitcoin doing? Let's see here. Last time on Bitcoin. Just pump, damn it. Get above the lines. Come on. It's a 5-minute chart. Like, how hard is it? Just do this, man. Just do that. Please. Buy the dip. The dip is in. Why refuse VeChain? He basically Coinbase. I don't refuse VeChain, but I did see VeChain. You know, I did this. I saw VeChain. I said no. How long do you want me to look at VeChain, man? 2 hours? Nah. The only good dump is a bubble moment. That reminds me. See, Shiba not breaking the line. See, Dogecoin not breaking the line. Shiba not breaking the line. And Bitcoin not breaking the line. But as soon as Bitcoin breaks the line, all of these other coins break the line and we move towards the upside. It's just so small move, man. Come on. Where are the bulls, man? Where are the bulls, man? Where are the bulls at? Let's put the line up here. There is a new green line in town. Actually, we are right now between two green lines. So let's go to 1 second chart and see which one breaks first. Sorry, I just jumped in. Luna looks great, man. Luna looks very nice. Cardano is the dip. Cardano, how's Cardano, by the way? I don't dare looking at Cardano, man. I don't dare looking at Cardano, man. Cardano had to have a pump yesterday to survive this dump, man. Because if Cardano had, you know, dump down here, it would be so bad. So, you know, it's very good that Cardano actually had a pump yesterday, so he can survive this dump down here. I think that's the thing. I think that's the thing. That's the only way Cardano could survive today's dump, is by having this pump yesterday. I think that happened same up here, you know, they knew it's gonna dump big time, so they didn't want to dump it like this down here. So they pumped a little first, so when it dumps a little bit. They pumped a little bit so it doesn't dump. So they pump it pre-dump, just so, you know, it doesn't dump too much. Because if Cardano had like gone down here, if it hadn't had this pump yesterday, it would be just like, you know. The crypto market has been favorable in the past weeks. I keep missing out on this opportunity, and most certainly very impatient. Why the dump again? There is no dump again. What are you talking about? Why the dump again? What kind of dump, man? We are watching the 5-minute chart up here, and there is no dump. 1 second chart up here. This chart up here. 2 green lines. Where are the 2 green lines? Yeah, we are above the 1 line, you know, if that means anything like that, you know. Are we gonna get more of these, you know, 20, here was a lot of buys, I think we need the buy indicator up here. Values. 10. It's only 10. It's only 10. Down here was like 20 or something like that. Wow, this was a lot. Anas Barzi, 25 SAR. Check SCLP, please. Gonna be huge, based in Estonia. Loss prime, mentioned in Forbes, Bloomberg, Nasdaq, and others. Forbes, Bloomberg, Nasdaq, and others. Everybody who mentions that is probably some kind of contribution stuff, you know, stuff like that. SCLP, scallops. Daily. It looks bad. I don't care how good this is, it looks bad right now. And especially for a coin that, you know, it's not, it doesn't have a name behind it, you know. It looks bad. Sorry, mate. It might be good, it's not good now. It might be good in the future. It's a true gem. I mean, I'm not saying it's not, it cannot do that, but, you know, right now it's, you know, this is crazy talk. It is crazy talk. Look at this, man. It's crazy talk. It might be at some kind of bottom. I'm not saying that. It might be low. It might be, you know, just milling cap and stuff like that. You know, the first thing is gonna come when it breaks this trend, downtrend down here, right? Then it needs to break something like this down here, right? It needs to break this trend up here, and once that's broken, it has this last trend up here, somewhere up here. So they, you know, it has to do something like this up here. It has to do this and this, and then it can go to the moon, right? But until at least it's done this, you know, it's not good, right? But when it does this, it needs to get this and this, you know. It has a while to go to be good, right? Maybe it's a gem, maybe it's not. I don't know. We don't do gems on this channel. We do 5-minute charts. We zoom in and we wait for the, you know, the pump. Do you follow Crypto Da Vinci 15 Crypto Russ? Yeah, not Da Vinci J15, Crypto Russ, you know, sometimes when I'm bored I will listen to him, but you know, he just chills his stuff. Crypto is always panicky and not panicky, and you know, but he has some nice lines from time to time, so it's okay. Can you look for a BTC divergence in 1 hour, 4 hour? Yeah, sure, man. I don't think there are any divergences right now, and there is no divergence on 1 hourly. There is no divergence on the 4 hourly either. 30-minute chart right now. There is nothing on the 30-minute chart. There is nothing on the 50-minute chart. There is nothing on the 10-minute chart. So there is no divergence anywhere on the chart actually. Not even on the 5-minute chart. Up here, maybe somewhere back there was some kind of divergence, but there is no divergence right now. On the daily time frame either, right now there is also no divergence on the daily chart either, so everything looks like it should be looking. How much pumping Bitcoin? I don't know. Can we go to 70k? Why not? 412 is tomorrow. The moon pump. The moon is the new moon. I don't think you guys understand. The 4th December is the new moon, and the new moon is the dump moon, not pump moon. Show sand. Sand is minus 8% right now. AVX Bex recovery. Let's see, where is my AVX? 0.63. Not actually the best recovery. Let's see here on the 4-hourly time frame. It is nice recovery, but it's not full recovery yet. This is weekly, this is daily. Daily is below 10-20 moving edge. Not all the way there, not all the way there, champ. What about E? Do you advise to buy? Help me, please. Sorry, I don't do buy sell. Like, you do what you wanna do with your money, man. VVS. Never heard about VVS. Don't have VVS. Maybe some small coin. Yeah, but we all know that the moon goddess is a woman. Anyone with a wife knows how contrarian they can be. Can Bitcoin please just pump? Just pump a little bit, man. There is some kind of triangle going on here. Do you see it, guys? Do you see the triangle? Salim 999. Can you do Tia on Selena's bags? We don't want to disrespect the Selena, man. Also, you have to type in correctly the name. It's not Selena, it's Selene with E. C E Selena. My bad. Let's see here on the 5-minute chart. Let's see what 1-minute chart up here. Is there some kind of, because right now I'm consolidating up here because it pumped a lot. You can see the pump. This is consolidation up here. Might be something like this. You know, this might actually go for a while right now. Where's the second line on the chart? Maybe give or take. I don't know. Maybe something like this. TLI. Check your moon, TI. 412 was the billionaire date, as I remember. Yeah, it was. But 412, I did not say, you know, I said it's gonna be the top, you know, but I also said it might be the bottom. It might be the, you know, World War III. It might be the sun exploding. I don't know what's gonna happen on 412. I just know it's a very special date. Now, I was assuming it's gonna be the top, but it looks like it might be the bottom, you know. It might be the, you know, dump day. I don't know. You know, but it's a special date. We already above 54k again. 53,973 on Coinbase. There is no sand analysis, man. There is no reason to analyze sand. It's down 8%. It's going down. It's just starting on like 5%. Whole crypto is growing logarithmically. My Christmas decoration are going up on the 4th December. Oh, why 4th December? We put Christmas decorations up on the 1st of every 1st December. We put everything up, and the 1st of January we put everything down. We use one day to put everything up and one day to put everything down because, you know, that way you get everything done in one day, right? But this year I kind of missed putting up the lights. You know, my wife's done her part, you know, but I have to put up the lights, so I'm 2 days late with the lights. So I might just do that on the 4th as well. Kids want it. Kids want on the 4th. 3 favorite coins. I don't know, man. Come on, pump. Just pump a little bit, please, for a pin's sake. Just pump over here, man. Just pump and I'm done. First time I see somebody explain live chart so fast and so understandable. Thanks, Joseph. How you doing? Is Bitcoin going back to the 4th, or will it bump? Is Bitcoin going back and forth, or will it bump? We don't know. We don't know. This is 1 minute chart, so we really don't care. All I care is that Bitcoin does this move up here. When Bitcoin does this move up here, I'm going to sleep, guys. Okay? I just want this move. After this, it can dump. I don't really care. But I just want this move to happen. Once this move to happen, I can go to sleep. It's above this line. I want to be above this line on the 5 minute chart. I want to close up here. It's gonna be nice. That's the only thing. But why exactly did we dump? Still not able to understand the real reason, apart from the fact that traditional market dropped. So do you know the real reason? Everything looks bad. Markets are dumping because markets hit the top. You can go check the Twitter. Markets hit the top, the gold, the silver, everything is dumping. But why it's dumping, who knows? You know, maybe we hit some kind of double top. Maybe there was too much excitement. People need, you know, people you know, they're taking profit and stuff like that. I don't know why. But, you know, we are dumping today because we are breaking certain lines. And that's that. Alex, welcome to TF Fans Club. Enjoy the green name. Enjoy the emojis. And since this is your first time in TF Fans Club, you get to pick the coin, man. Which coin do you want me to look at, man? All the new TF Fans Club members get to pick the coin, guys. How do you join the TF Fans Club? You go to YouTube. The late adopter, and over there you find a button called join, and you press that. There we go. Pin. Where is Alex? Alex, what do you want me to look at? Stinker House A. Hi man, welcome to the TF Fans Club. Nice. Two guys in one stream. Nice. Enjoy the green name, enjoy the emojis, and since this is your first time in TF Fans Club, you get to pick the coin. Yeah, but please make Kiss Ima coin. Welcome Stinker, finally. There we go. Okay, Alex, what do you want to see? What do you want to see, Alex? What did Alex say? So much pressure. I guess the central end. You want to see mana? Ooh, okay, I'll do mana. Yes, baby, please make Kisimak coin. Okay, I'll check Kisimak. Okay, let's do mana for Alex. Let's see what mana is doing right now. Mana is 10% down. Damn, that went big time down. Did Bitcoin just do the thing I hope it's done? Nah, soon, I don't know. Not yet. Okay, let's go. Let's do mana while we wait. So mana had a big pump up here. We already know that, right? It had a pump of something like 500-600%. Now, anytime something has a 500-600%, what's gonna happen? You're gonna have some kind of consolidation or something like that. Now, we are hoping this actually, you know, would go towards the upside, but unfortunately, these kind of moves up here are kind of blow off moves, because there is still a lot of bullishness up here, but this is, you know, sell-off period up here, and right now the sell-off is finished. Right now it's just gonna flag toward the downside. You can also see this on the volume up here. Once you get this big move towards the upside, you get a big sell-off down here, and then, you know, everybody, you know, starts piling in, but the volume is dropping down while this is going towards the upside. So this is also some kind of move that can be seen on, for example, Dogecoin, for example, on a bigger time frames up here. Let's see on daily time frame. See on Dogecoin, you can see here the same kind of pattern that's happening. You know, pump big time, then you have this, you know, move towards the upside, but the price goes down, and sorry, price goes up and the volume goes down, and then you get this move towards the upside, and then you have a forever bleed. Now, you know, Dogecoin did something like, I don't know, 700-800%, like mana did 10%, but you know, some kind of, you know, this is this kind of pattern is usually some kind of blow off top pattern, although it's not actually exactly like that. So you can see down here on the daily time frame that you can see on the other front that it is the same pattern up here. You know, you have big down and then go towards upside. So right now this is going towards downside. I have this line up here, hoping that you know, maybe for some reason this will actually break the line and continue towards the upside. Unfortunately, it's not doing that. If you look at some kind of moving averages up here on the chart, you'll see that right now on the daily, sorry, this is 4-hourly time frame, but on the daily time frame we are below the 10 and 20 moving average on this stamp up here. So unless we can, you know, kind of bounce back up here, this looks like it's gonna bleed down at least to the 50 moving average, and then it's only a matter of time, like how much this consolidates towards, because it did a pretty big pump, so it's really hard to say that this is gonna continue further towards the upside. Now it might actually continue after consolidation towards the upside, but I don't think that's, you know, just gonna. I was actually long on mana on a leverage trade up here, you know, because I was kind of hoping that he's gonna go towards the upside. Unfortunately, did not do that. He just kind of bled towards the downside. It's still being towards the downside, below 20 moving average, which is not quite good, you know. So that's that. What you're gonna do? What you're gonna do? So right now we are below 20 moving average, and it doesn't look that good. It doesn't look that good. So no, it had a big run. You know, find some other coin. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I'm just checking something up here. Okay, and the second coin was Saudi and Turkish Government Corporation coin. Saudi and Turkish Government Corporation coin. Finally, someone going straight to the point. Thanks. So I would really like this to pump. Like I said, I did a small trade up here because I was hoping you're gonna, but I didn't do that. So I think it's going through consolidation right now. You know, will it pump later? Sure, but right now it's going through consolidation, I think. But there are a lot of other good coins though. So you know, Kisimak coin. Okay, let's see. Kisimak. What is Kisimak coin? I need to figure out what this is first. Let's go to CoinCap. By the way, did Bitcoin do the thing? Did Bitcoin go above the line? I cannot do, you know, TA on a coin that doesn't exist on my charts. Dude, why do you do that? It's a bad word in Arabic. Pi network. Did you join TFN Club just to do that? Yarak chain. Okay, let's check Yarak chain. Kisimak coin. Is there such a thing as Yarak? I have to check. Since you are TFN Club members, I have to check this out, right? There is actually Yarak token, Yarak. Good evening, DJ Avistalin. How you been, man? Trust in Crow, you would trust in VV Finance. Yeah, but Crow did, you know. There's no such thing as Yara coin. Thanks for joining TFN Club, man, but you know, I cannot find your coins. TL, I will pocket your prank money. Yeah, I mean, it's worth, no, it's a joke, man. Yeah, but sure, it's a joke. You know, if I, what do I say? I mean, sure, but you know, but he joined the TFN Club, you know. He want me to check the coins. I'll check the coins, man. Now I know what they mean, you know. It's a prank coin, you know. It's fine, man. I'll do it, you know. He gets his left, I get my money. We all good, man. We all good. Stink here, we good, okay? We good. I mean, you pay me to check some, you know, some kind of coin. I'll do it, man. I'll do it. No problem, man. No problem. It's all good. It's all fun and games, man. It's all fun and games. Okay guys, let's see Bitcoin, please, for the F's sake, do go over there because I gotta sleep. Do not go down. God damn it, it's going down. Bitcoin, why? Maybe there's some kind of hope you. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the stream over here. Maybe it's gonna go up, maybe it's gonna go down. I don't know if this is the bottom or it's not. I hope, you know, it might recover a little bit, but it looks like it's not actually. It was just a quick, pretty quick dump. Right now, going to this 10 moving average. Continues going on the downside. It's not gonna be looking good. Let me remove certain lines up here. So just say a quick word about this. What time is it? Almost 11 o'clock. So if we close below. If we close today below this level down here, 53.711, it might be kind of bad. So, you know, best case scenario, we close above 53.711 above this line. I think that's best case scenario. Like, it's not actually good, but, you know, I think it's kind of might be good, you know, closing a little bit down, because then we get the error side divergence as well. So, you know, what's the best case scenario? You know, doesn't look good. Anyways, 52.5 retest, then moon, maybe. We're gonna see tomorrow, Tiela, the new moon especially, it has closed up, and Pergi, you said it's very strong. Yeah, also, tomorrow is the eclipse, guys. Tomorrow, not only next new moon. Okay, let's go to the Google, because, you know, next new moon. Next new moon, December 4th, 2021. Okay, so next new moon is tomorrow. Next eclipse. Moon eclipse. November 8th. Nah. Nah. It is eclipse. Sonar, hello. Oh, 21, 22, 21, 4 December. Solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse is for December 4th. So tomorrow you got total solar eclipse. You got a new moon. And it's also called next micro moon. So upcoming micro moons, 11 November, December. Is micro super moon? Huh. Doesn't matter. I'm too tired for this. I don't want to look for stuff. Anyways, guys, another dump. We're gonna see how this plays out. We're gonna see how it plays out. Maybe you know what every other YouTuber shilling is like, buy the dip. Maybe that's the thing. Go sleep. We put out a lot of content. Take some rest. Thanks guys for joining the stream. Thanks for joining TFN's club. Thanks for hitting the like button. And see you tomorrow, guys. Maybe, hopefully, I won't see you tomorrow. I have don't hopefully I won't be needing to live stream tomorrow. But Tiela, are you worried? You know when something is when we start to worry, you start to worry, and then you go past the worrying phase when you're like, oh fuck it, And I'm at that phase. I'm like fuck it phase, just like let it rip down and then we're gonna go up again, Or maybe it's gonna go down, but after 4 years it's gonna come back up, something like that, It cannot dump forever, that's the kind of phase I'm in, right? I also got some dollars on the side, so I can still buy some kind of dips, so that's that. We're gonna see tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I still got my YouTube channel, and you guys, we got you guys remember that we had we used to have super chats to we had super chats to cover the new iPhone for the wife, right? That was the goal. The goal for the super chats was to cover the wife. So next super chat goal, cover my crypto losses. Okay guys, this is the next super chat goal. So you're welcome to start, you know, putting the money in. It's gonna be a long run. On sale now, yeah, it's 12 at night in Africa. Peace out, family. Love to all traders. Smash like. Love to all the traders. See you guys. Bye bye.